Do you know what revolutionized the way we work, live, and consume? It's the Industrial Revolution, a period of significant changes in modern history. During the late 18th and early 19th centuries, the Industrial Revolution transformed manufacturing, transportation, and communication. Before the Industrial Revolution, things were made mostly by hand, which was time-consuming and expensive. But with the invention of machines, factories could produce goods quicker and cheaper than ever before. This led to mass production, which made products more affordable for ordinary people. The steam engine was one of the most important inventions during the Industrial Revolution. It was used to power machines and vehicles, making transportation faster and easier. This led to the development of railways and steamships, which allowed goods to be transported more quickly and easily around the world. The Industrial Revolution also brought about other changes, such as the growth of cities and the rise of the middle class. As factories grew, more people moved to the cities to work in them. This led to overcrowding and pollution in urban areas. However, it also created new job opportunities and raised living standards for many people. The Industrial Revolution was a time of great change, and it transformed the world as we know it. It paved the way for modern manufacturing, transportation, and communication systems, and it created a new age of progress and prosperity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on history and technology.